Yes, good morning. This is Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Saturday, the 4th of November 2023. This is my weekly analysis video where we have a look at some of the pairs, Forex pairs I'm trading on the daily time frame using the high probability and divergence trading methods from my books. So first up, thanks for watching the videos. If you do like the videos, please hit the like button, subscribe button. That's always appreciated. And I hope everyone's weekend's going okay so far. We're coming into our big water festival down here, so everything's getting put on the river and all set up. Looks pretty good, but it's getting busy. All right, let's have a look. What we normally do, we have a look at the news for the week ahead. So this is the Forex Factory Free Economic Calendar. The good thing is you can put it in your local time and you can set up filters, etc., see what types of news you want to see. I'm only interested in high impact events, so that's mainly all you'll see on mine. It's a pretty quiet week. One thing I do want to point out, there is daylight savings shift in both Canada and the US, and when I say the US, that'll affect the New York candles. So I'm pretty sure for me that means Monday, the new candle for me is normally at 4 a.m. I think it goes back to 5 a.m. So that's just something to be aware of. All right, let's have a look at the news. Monday, Japan talking head. Oh, big one, Tuesday. Australian interest rate news. They're expecting a rate rise. It's the first Tuesday in November, which is also Melbourne Cup Day, which is the big one of the biggest horse races on the planet. That'll catch everyone with their pants down on Melbourne Cup Day. Because trust me, the whole nation literally stops for a horse race. All right, so that's Tuesday. Wednesday, inflation out of New Zealand and UK talking head, US talking head. When I say talking head, I just mean someone in authorities making a speech. Thursday, unemployment claims out of the US. Friday, talking head out of the US, GDP out of the UK, and prelim UOM consumer sentiment. It's a pretty quiet week, so the main ones are interest rate news out of Australia. All right, let's get into it. There we go, Word document. Now, before we get into the charts, just want you to have a look at this Word document. Most of the people that watch this video have read my book, so they understand the setups and that. This, if you're a bit unclear or not sure things, just have a read of this, pause the video, have a read. Just tells you what all the different colors are, what the settings are. The main indicators, the bottom indicator, the MACD Platinum. It's just a zero lag MACD. There goes all my Wi-Fi. Zero lag MACD, and oscillates around a zero level. So generally, I'm looking to sell when it's above the zero level and buy when it's below the zero level. You'll see that on the charts. All right, let's get on the charts. Trading view. All right, use TradingView for all my analysis. I don't trade on TradingView. Most of my trading's on MT5, a couple of MT4 platforms, but mainly MT5. That's what you can hear dropping in and out at the moment. Yeah, hopefully that'll be quieter. I just shut down 6 of my 7 platforms. All right, let's get into it. So this is TradingView. I use this for my analysis. This is just a sample list of pairs that I'm sending through, just trade examples and trade management examples. So I'm not a trade signal provider or anything like that. Alphabetical order. If it's highlighted, no highlight means no trade on. Orange means I want to talk about it in this video. Light blue means there's trade on or trades on and some action's been taken. And if there was dark blue, means trade on, no action taken. So this is just the list. There is one new trade for Monday, and we'll get to it. So, right, generally, and you can see this is the AusCAD. There's no trade on, just a couple of lines, some notes. So let's go. We'll go to one where there is. Aussie Swiss. It's highlighted in orange, so I want to talk about it. Yeah, so it's highlighted in orange. Just want to talk about it. So let's have a look. What I do and what's happened. There's been a stop out. So on the 3rd of November. So here, it's that one there, that candle there. This sell from the 3rd of October was stopped out. Now you'll see the details there. That's because that's an old trade. There's a more recent trade. So the more recent trade will be on the right with all the information wires took the trade, or most of the time in a way, whereas the trades on the left are the older trades, and all this stuff next is the trade management. Now, as you all know, I call my trades live at the time or close to it within an hour or two, keeping in mind I am trading on the daily time frame. And any trade management's also called live. So I take a screenshot of any new trades, put that in a shared folder and post those. So they go into the JAGfx Facebook group, Telegram channels, and Matt from Family Man's Discord channel. So it's all very transparent, all very open. Warts and all, as I say. So we took the sell here. Here's the trade management. Closed half on the 13th of October, so I'm thinking it might be in there. So already closed half, then moved the stop down. So I didn't lose on the sell. In the meantime, I'm in a buy. Already closed half, so the third, second. So the open of this candle, MACD platinum through the zero level. I closed half and moved the stop up. So I can't lose on the buy. So the sell's finished. As I said, I'll just leave it on the charts to show you guys on the weekend video. So that once the video is finished, I'll tidy up this chart. So we're no longer in the sell. Small overall profit, and we're in this buy that we can't lose. So looking good on the Aussie Swiss. Yeah, it's going to be slow going. All right, this is a new trade for Monday. It's a sell signal. Now, the difference between TradingView and MT5, MT4, you won't see this new dot on MT4, MT5. You won't see that. If it's going to present, you won't see it until the actual market's open. The good thing about TradingView on a Friday, it presents any new dots on the Friday close for Monday, so it just gives you a bit of a heads up. Look, right, we're already in a buy from the 16th of October. There's my trade management, already closed half, can't lose. There's a stop, so we're locking in profit, can't lose on that buy. So we're taking this new sell on Monday. There's a big resistance level on price here. You can see it there, that blue line. Moving averages are very tight and flat, so happy to trade in either direction, and we've got this protection of this partial no-lose buy on there. So Monday, it's the only new trade, Aussie New Zealand sell. CAD Swiss, we're in a sell trade, old sell trade from the 29th of September. So in here, can't lose, there's a stop there, there's all the trade management. And then we took a buy on the 31st of October in here, and big support level there, obviously, and it's going up nicely. Now we're at the moving averages. I was seriously thinking about closing half on Friday, but I declined, so I'll give it another day. But I'm thinking about MACD platinum's getting close to the zero level, and we're up near the moving averages, so it's getting in a tough territory. But we've got this sell on, says no real desperate need to take any action at the moment. Euro pound highlighted in orange means I've been stopped out of trade. All right, in a buy from here, which is the 11th of September. That's this information here. There's all my can't lose. There's a stop loss there, very close to it, but we're still, so we're biting there, stops there, can't lose. Took another buy in here on the 16th of October, so that's that entry there, and it was stopped out. There's my trade action. I've closed half already, 23rd of October, which is, I think that was in, up here somewhere. Closed half up here, and I've dragged my stop up to lock in a fair bit of profit on this one. Well, not a fair bit, but as much as I could. So we're stopped out on Friday for an overall small profit. So that buy is finished, and as I said, I'll just tidy up the chart after the video is completed. So I'll remove that, and so we're still in one buy here and one sell there. Now the MACD platinum's getting very close to the zero level. We're getting back to close to the moving averages. Probably give it one more day to look at doing something with a sell trade. But we're looking good on the pound, Euro pound. Euro USD highlighted in orange. My sell trade from back here, 21st of July, was stopped out. So there, took the sell up here. I've had a couple of goes at buys without much success. And yeah, we've stopped out. So I'll tidy up that chart. So we won't be in any trades on the Euro USD, but that was a good win there. So we'll see how we go. I'll tidy that one up. Get my hand seasoned up. Pound yen, highlighted in orange. I think I'm out of all trades now on this. So we're at a where it sell, and that was stopped out on the day 31st of October. So in here, so we already closed half, small overall profit on the sell, no problems. Took the buy and stopped out for a small loss on the 30th of October. So that's that one there, just by a pip or something. Damn. And it's popped up nicely. So just a bit too tight on that stop. Where did I move my stop up to? 180.824. Have a look at the low up here. 180, yeah, 824, 187.70, so 5 and a bit pips. Now, yeah, so we're in no trades on the pound yen. Stopped out of both, so they probably overall break even for both trades there. So it's not the end of the world. It's a tough bet to trade. New Zealand CAD. I seem to be going through this video really quick. New Zealand CAD's highlighted in orange means I've stopped out. So this sell here was on the 13th of October there. Already closed half the 20th, so I'm thinking maybe in here somewhere. Yeah, closed half there. So, and the stop's been moved down. So we didn't lose on the sell, small overall profit. In the meantime, taking this buy here, and it's heading up nicely. So MACD Platinum's, yeah, look, it's through the zero level. Could probably move that stop up. I'll give it one more day. There's a nice support level down here. We're getting close to this previous high here, and we're close to the 240. So I'll give it one more day, the New Zealand CAD. So we're stopped out of the sell, and we're still in a healthy looking buy at the moment. So all good. Tidy up that chart. USD CAD. Pretty sure I'm in a sell and a buy. So we're in an old buy from the 27th of September. There. There's my trade management, closed half 3rd of October. Should be in here somewhere, yeah, up there. Previous high, MACD Platinum through the zero level. And I just trailed the stop up. There's not really much I couldn't have put it up too tighter. I got the sell here. That's this sell Friday 3rd of November, and it's heading in the right direction already, so it's good. It's a high risk trade, and there is a big bit of like resistance up there. So it's just a weekly chart, just skipped over it. So looking good, getting close to being stopped out on the buy, but we're still in it, so the sell's looking good too. USD Japanese yen, this is doing my head in. It's highlighted in orange. I'm really going to tidy this chart up. So we're still in this buy from back here, right? So that's, when's that? 20th of July. Now here, so we can't lose on the buy, but we've had a few goes at sells and we haven't had much success. And I'm pretty sure 2nd October, so that one there, 12th September, that's be there. What yeah, confused myself. Let's have a look here. Sell signal, yeah, stopped out. Friday, 3rd up there. All right, 31st of October, stopped out for a full loss. So took the sell in here. Yeah, 6th of October. And it's just gone sideways, then popped up there on the 31st of October, stopped out for a full loss. And it's completely come down and reversed, and there's a sell signal. And look, I'm just sick of trying to take sells on this pair, so I'm giving it a miss. Even though the MACD Platinum's below the zero level, it's still valid because there's divergence there. There's regular bearish divergence. And one side of the MACD Platinum's on the correct side, so above the zero level for a sell. So you could still take that sell. And look, had a green, a red, a green, a red. You don't get too many clusters like that. So the chances of this breaking to one side are pretty good. I'm not going to take it. I've just had my quota of USD Japanese yen trades. And this level here is the 150 level, big round number, and it's got a history of hitting that previously about a year ago. So we're stopped out of the sell, and I'm going to just ignore that new sell today, or for Monday, sorry. Right, gold in a buy that we can't lose from the 10th of October, so that's all good there. And there's a trade management, and since taking a sell on the 2nd of November. There's my notes. This is a big, this is the 2000 level, this green line, and it's sort of pretty close to where that blue resistance level is. So that's 2000. It's a big round number. That level there's 1800. So we're in a buy, in a sell. There's my stop loss up there. So we're in sort of no man's land on the sell trade, but the buy trade's still looking good. So we've got some protection there. Right, these next three just more for curiosity. US dollar. Big drop after the non-farm payrolls on Friday. I didn't have a look at the results. Not that it means anything to me, but that's a fair drop on the US dollar. It didn't break this previous high here. Nice point of last signal was actually this buy, but it wouldn't be a signal I would take because it's similar. Price didn't come back to the moving averages close enough, and yeah, and look, it sort of, and you get this sell here. Now that'd be a sell you could consider taking, just again because of the divergence, and you got this now double top. So that sell would have been a one to take, and look, it's proved to be the case. Hindsight. US 500, it's a US stock market. Was last week I was spruiking out. It was a downtrend, and here we are. It's going to possibly break this previous high and change the market again. Buy signal is the last signal here. So again, big divergence. US 500 and Bitcoin had a bit of a splurge too, up to the 35 and sort of consolidate a bit around there. Last signal is this sell signal. Now remember, this is a 24/7 market, so it's open at the moment. If you look down at there you can see the price is ticking over. All right, for some reason I seem to race through that. Had a pretty big night last night, so I probably killed a few brain cells. Hopefully I've covered everything. Like I said, everyone's more than welcome to join any of the JAGfx social media groups. If you've got some questions or you just want to discuss anything to do with trading, we have some good banter in there sometimes. Thanks for watching the video. Good luck with your weekend. Stay safe wherever you are, and we'll talk to you during the week sometime. Cheers.